Have you ever wondered what mysteries the vast expanse of space holds for us? Space, the final frontier, a realm of infinite possibilities and enigmas? Our innate human curiosity to explore the unknown has led us on a quest beyond our earthly confines, unearthing a trove of fascinating facts about the universe. From the shimmering auroras on distant planets to the echo of cosmic radiation, every discovery has a tale to tell. So let's dive into the 5 most interesting facts about space exploration. Fact number 5, space is completely silent. An intriguing point to consider, isn't it? This silence, however, isn't due to lack of activity. Instead, it's because space is a vacuum, devoid of air and molecules. In our terrestrial environment, sound waves travel by vibrating these molecules. But in the vacuum of space with no molecules to vibrate, sound cannot travel. That's why space is utterly silent. So, if you were planning on hosting a concert in space, you might want to reconsider. Moving on to fact number 4, there are mountains on Mars that dwarf Everest. Let's talk about Olympus Mons, a volcano that happens to be the tallest in our solar system. This Martian mountain stands at a staggering height, nearly 3 times that of Mount Everest. To put it into perspective, if our Everest were a house cat, Olympus Mons would be a full-grown giraffe. It's enormous. So Mars is not just red, it's also high. Fact number 3 might surprise you. The footprints on the moon will stay there for millions of years. Now, isn't that something? This is because the moon doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth's. No wind, no water, no weather means no erosion. And without erosion, those footprints left by astronauts from the Apollo missions remain untouched. Almost like a preserved piece of history, frozen in time. It's a reminder of our first steps into the wider universe. Talk about leaving a lasting impression. Fact number 2, 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Now let's unpack that a bit. Venus, our neighboring planet, takes its sweet time rotating around its axis. In fact, it's so slow that it takes longer than it does to orbit the sun. Meanwhile, on Earth, our rotation gives us our 24-hour day, while our revolution around the sun takes a full year. So, in a Venusian day, you could celebrate your earthly birthday and New Year's Day all at once. Time certainly flies differently in space, doesn't it? Finally, fact number 1, there's a planet made of diamonds. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's a reality. Meet 55 Cancri E, a sparkling celestial body believed to be composed largely of diamond and graphite. Nestled about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, this gem is twice the size of Earth. If we could mine it, the value of the diamonds it could contain would outshine our global economy by far. Talk about a gem of a planet. To recap, we've learned some fascinating facts about space today. We've discovered that our planet is just a speck in an ever-expanding universe, how astronauts sleep in zero gravity, and the mysteries of black holes. We've also plunged into the intriguing world of space debris and how it poses a threat to our satellites. And finally, we've explored the possibility of life beyond Earth. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye.